The legal deception of personhood, reclaiming your living estate. Why you are legally considered dead and how to wake up. The birth certificate fraud and the theft of your estate. From living soul to commercial vessel, the maritime law trap. How international banking cartels hijacked your identity. Every individual is born upon the land as a rightful heir to the land assets of their country. However, within hours of birth, agents of federal franchises secure a mother's signature on a certificate of live birth. While presented as a simple record of birth, this document serves as a commercial registration of a vessel. This process effectively positions the state franchise as the beneficiary of the child's estate. Following a period determined by state law, this vessel is reported as missing or presumed dead to the probate court. The court then alters civil records, converting the living estate into a trust estate for the benefit of the entities managing the system. Under this framework, an individual is officially considered dead in the jurisdiction of the land. Unless specific action is taken to correct probate court records, the individual and their assets remain trapped in the international jurisdiction of the sea. This jurisdictional shift explains why constitutional guarantees, often referred to as the law of the land, appear not to apply. The version of the individual recognized by the system is not operating on the land. This entire structure is built upon identity theft and unilateral adhesion contracts obtained through deceit during infancy, leaving the victim with no initial opportunity to object. The entities involved in this process include international banking cartels and legal associations that profit from the management of these estates. These organizations operate through corporate franchises, such as the various versions of the United States and individual state names, which function similarly to commercial business franchises. These corporations lack lawful authority over a living soul, yet they maintain control over the estate and the public transmitting utility created in the individual's name without their informed consent. The system utilizes specific naming conventions to distinguish between different types of trusts and utilities. For example, a name written in all capital letters often represents a federal estate trust or a public transmitting utility owned and operated by international agencies. These entities utilize the fruits of an individual's labor and their very physical existence as collateral for their commercial activities. Recognizing this fraud is the first step toward correcting the public record and taking back control of one's property, body, and labor.